sparkling waters of Coral Cove, where sea turtles wore monocles and starfish played the ukulele, two best friends, Bubbles the dolphin and Fin the pufferfish, were known for their curiosity and knack for finding adventure. The missing pearl. One sunny morning, news spread through the ocean that the legendary rainbow pearl, the most dazzling treasure of the sea, had disappeared from the Great Coral Tower. "It must have been stolen," said Coral, the wise old sea turtle who guarded the tower. "Without it, the Reef Festival will be ruined." Bubbles twirled in excitement. "An underwater mystery? We're on the case." Fin gulped nervously. "Does this mean we'll have to go near the deep sea caves?" Bubbles grinned. "Only if the clues lead us there." First clue, the crabby witness. Bubbles and Fin swam to the tower to investigate. They found crab tracks leading away from the scene. Following them, they met Crusty the crab, a grumpy fellow sitting on a pile of shiny seashells. "Crusty, did you see anyone near the tower last night?" Bubbles asked. Crusty rubbed his claws together. "I saw a shadowy figure swimming toward Jellyfish Junction. Looked sneaky to me." Fin puffed up. "Jellyfish Junction? That's where all the jellyfish play their glowing games. Let's go." The jellyfish puzzle. At Jellyfish Junction, the jellyfish were bobbing and glowing in a game of tag. Bubbles approached the leader, Glow, who blinked in patterns. "We don't have the rainbow pearl," Glow blinked, "but we saw an octopus carrying something shiny toward the kelp forest." Fin shuddered. "The kelp forest? It's so twisty in there." Bubbles nudged him. "Come on, we can handle it." Tangled in the kelp forest was dark and full of swaying seaweed. As they swam deeper, they spotted Inky the Octopus juggling shiny objects. "Inky, is that the rainbow pearl?" Bubbles called out. Inky looked guilty. "I didn't steal it. I found it near the shipwreck sands and was bringing it back." "Honest?" Bubbles narrowed her eyes but saw that Inky meant no harm. "Let's all go to shipwreck sands and see if we can find more clues." The shipwreck showdown. At shipwreck sands, they discovered a trail of glitter leading into a dark cave. Fin hesitated. "That looks like the deep sea caves." "Only one way to find out," Bubbles said, leading the way. Inside the cave, they found the real culprit, Shadow the Moray Eel. He had taken the pearl, thinking it was just another shiny object for his collection. "Shadow, the rainbow pearl belongs to the whole reef," Bubbles said firmly. Shadow frowned. "I didn't know. I just thought it was pretty." Restoring the pearl, with Shadow's help, they carefully carried the rainbow pearl back to the Great Coral Tower. Coral the turtle placed it in its rightful spot, and the reef lit up with colors. "The festival is saved," everyone cheered. A bright celebration, the Reef Festival was the best one yet, with music, dancing, and glowing decorations. Shadow even joined in, promising to share his collection with the reef from now on. As the festivities ended, Fin turned to Bubbles. "Another mystery solved. Do you think we'll ever get a quiet day?" Bubbles laughed. "With us around? Never." And so, the friends swam off, ready for their next underwater adventure.